What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a weekly email newsletter automatically from your own content using Claude. So let's get started. To generate a weekly email newsletter automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for grabbing the most valuable tweets from my own page or a different user's page to then uses the valuable tweets to generate the email newsletter. To create the skill, I'm going to click on customize right here, click on skills. And here I'm going to click on the plus icon right here. We're going to create the skill using Claude. Here I'll hit enter. We're going to describe the skill that we like Claude to create for us. So we're going to tell it, create a skill called weekly newsletter builder that takes a Twitter profile and extract the most valuable tweets or threads from the past week and turns them into a structured email newsletter. The output should include a short intro, a main insight section based on the selected tweets, and a clear call to action at the end. The writing should match the creator's tone and be formatted as a ready-to-send newsletter. The final output should be placed into a Google Docs format for review. I'm going to hit enter to create our skill. Here you can see it successfully created our skill for us over here, and use the skill to generate a newsletter that is added to this Google Docs right here. So here's an example email newsletter that is generated for us over here from Sean Puri's tweets. This is incredible. So now we can make any changes if we want. Not like the output that it gave us. So here you can see it's just generating a newsletter about Sean Puri's tweets. Instead of just extracting the most valuable item from the tweet and using that to generate our newsletter. So here just generating like a summary of their tweets. So let us make the changes here. So we're telling the skill should find the most valuable item from their tweets, then use that to generate the newsletter for me. By using their tweets to generate a newsletter about them, it should be about the most valuable item from their tweets. I'll hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to make the changes for us. You can see it updated our skill. So let's see the kind of newsletter that is generated from one of Sean's tweets. This is awesome. This is really incredible. This is exactly what we're looking for. So we were generating. So previously it was generating like a summary of his tweets. Now it's grabbing the most valuable item from his tweets and generating this newsletter for us over here. This is really impressive. This is exactly what we're looking for. Sort of like a summary of their tweet. So it's even speaking in my own language, even though it's breaking down his tweets and the recent episode that they did on my podcast. This is exactly what we wanted. We can tell it, package the skill and save it. So as it packages our skill, you can see it's telling us we need to pick the tone because it's using a neutral tone. We can also include the topic. You can see it's packaged our skill and it's ready to install. I'm going to save our skill. So now on the right, we can preview our skill. Line by line to save it's what we were looking for. Now, if we like to make any changes to the scale, and click on manage right here, we will be taken to the scale. And we can make changes to our scale over here by clicking on the three dots right here. You can choose to edit the scale either manually or using Claude right here. So we can tell Claude to either include some information we would like to include in the scale or remove some information that we would like to remove from the scale. But since our scale works perfectly, we're going to use it to generate our newsletters. I'm going to find our scale right here, and then we're going to tell Claude use this scale to identify the most valuable tweets or threads from the past week from Alex Twitter content. So we're using Alex Somozi as our creator. Then extract the key insights and turn them into a structured weekly email newsletter that matches his direct, high-intensity, business-focused tone, then output it in a Google Docs format for review with a short hook intro, a main insight section based on the selected tweets, and a simple direct call to action at the end. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to give Claude a few seconds for it to generate our newsletter for us. So here you can see it successfully grabbed one of Alex's valuable tweets and turned it into a game-changing newsletter. So here I'll open this link to preview our newsletter that is generated from Alex's tweets. So here you can see the subject line of the newsletter, and then you can see the newsletter here. It's a comprehensive newsletter generated from one of Alex's tweets. This is really impressive. It's exactly what we wanted. So the different section that we wanted in a newsletter. This is really impressive. I love this. So we successfully generated these incredible newsletter automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Let us try generating another newsletter from a different account. Generate another newsletter from a different creator. I'm going to use our skill right here. Then we're going to tell Claude use this skill, identify the most valuable tweets from my page, and then extract key insights and turn them into a structured weekly email newsletter that matches the creator's tone. Then output it into a Google Docs format for review. A short hook intro, a main insight section based on the selected post, and a simple direct call to action at the end. And hit enter. Give it a second for it to generate our newsletter for us. Here you can see it successfully generated a newsletter from one of my tweets. So I did a comprehensive research on myself here and found myself and my tweets. Went ahead and generated a newsletter from my tweets. So I'll open this link. The incredible newsletter that is generated from one of my tweets here. This is really incredible. The subject line, introduction, what is the newsletter right here with different sections, and a conclusion and a call to action in the end. This is really impressive. We successfully generated this newsletter from one of my tweets using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is really incredible. Let us try generating another newsletter from a different creator. I'm going to tell Claude use this skill to identify the most valuable tweets or threads from the past week from Cody Sanchez's Twitter content, and I extract the key insights and turn them into a structured weekly email newsletter that matches her direct, contrarian, business-focused tone, then output it into a Google Docs format for review with a short hook intro, a main insight section based on selected post, and a simple direct call to action at the end. Here I'm going to hit enter. Give it a few seconds for it to generate a newsletter from her tweets. So here you can see did a comprehensive research on her. Then it found one of her tweets. Grabbed one of her pinned tweets. Had 200,000 views. Then use the tweet to generate our newsletter. So I'll open this link to preview the newsletter. Now when we open our link, here you can see the subject line of the newsletter, the email body of the newsletter right here. Comprehensive newsletter is generated from her tweets. This is really impressive. So we generated this incredible newsletter that is very valuable from Cody Sanchez page using the scale that we created right here in Claude. You can try generating a newsletter from another different creators suite. You can try generating a newsletter from Gary Vay's Twitter post. So we are telling Claude use the scale to identify the most valuable tweets or threads in the past week from Gary Vay, and extract key insights and turn them into a structured weekly email newsletter that matches his high energy, motivational, no excuses tone, then output it into a Google Docs format for review with a short hook intro, a main insight section based on the selected post, and a simple direct call to action at the end. I'll hit enter and give it a second for you to generate a newsletter from Gary Vay's tweets. This is really incredible. So our skill went ahead and generated an incredible newsletter from one of Gary Vay's Substack posts. As you can see over here, why this post is the one that he chose. Then he went ahead and generated the newsletter. So we're going to open this link to preview the newsletter that is generated for us right here. When we open our link, you can see the subject line and the email newsletter that is generated for us over here from one of Gary Vay's Substack posts. Here, it's incredible. It's a value-packed newsletter on why you should choose interest media when you're creating your content. It's incredible. So now here, so we successfully generated this newsletter using a scale that we created right here in Claude. Here, so now you can change the format of the newsletter by editing your scale to ensure that it's generating exactly what you're looking for. Here, but so far I like our email newsletters that is generated from Twitter posts from different creators. As you can see right here, it's incredible. So this is how you can generate value-packed email newsletters from tweets of different creators on Twitter using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.